So today, we're going to be introducing you to Optilux lighting. We scour the industry for new equipment, and when we came across the Optilux range, we genuinely couldn't believe the quality that it delivered for the price point. We'll start off with the 600 watt HBS lamp. In-depth testing confirms that it punches well above its weight, delivering a spectrum and level of intensity that make it comparable to the Sylvania Growlux, one of the industry's best known lamps. It's really heavy in the red areas, which is going to help you pull down monster crops. One of the first things you'll notice about Optilux's digital ballast is that it's extremely well presented. The packaging's great and the ballast itself will look good in your grow room. It's fully dimmable with 250 watt, 400 watt, 600 watt and 660 watt X-Boost settings. Comes with a wide array of safety features like soft start, lamp failure protection and a breaker system to stop your lights from blowing in the event of a power surge. And if that wasn't enough to give you complete peace of mind, you also get a generous 3-year manufacturer's warranty. We do have magnetic options available, but for us, magnetic ballasts have had their day. If you've been around for a while, you'll no doubt recognise a classic Euro reflector. Comes with a hammer tone finish, which helps to spread light more evenly and eliminate hot spots. The Optilux Euro is manufactured to a higher standard than a lot of other versions out there. It feels thicker and better constructed, with some extra protection around the E40 socket that houses your lamp. You'll find some hanging tabs at the top of the reflector that you can bend out and use to attach your hangers. Easy rolls are perfect for the job. The Optilux range is a great addition to the one-stop catalogue. If you want to learn more, visit our website or come and see us in store.